Hello Islam and welcome to Tea's Kitchen. Today we'll be making karahi chops, lamb chops that is. I'm just going to boil lamb chops in pressure cooker, but that's a lot easier and faster. Some people don't, because you don't really have to sometimes boil your chops separate if you're using lamb, but I like to make a bit more tender, so I'm just going to boil it just like that. I'm just going to put 1 cup of water in and let it boil. In the meantime, I'm just going to cut my green chilies and tomatoes. Now I'm putting about 6 tomatoes in. That's only because I'm going to make a karahi chop and I'm not using onions. I'm just going to use tomatoes and green chilies. Our chops are done. Nice and tender. I've still got a bit of water in there, but I'm going to use that while I'm cooking it. Got 1 cup of oil in there. So I'm just going to add my green chilies with it. Just green chilies at the moment. Now that your chops are slightly fried, I'm going to add all the tomatoes that I've cooked and kept on the side. Mix it well. I'm using about a tablespoon of tomato puree. Now we're going to put in the leftover water from the chops. That all goes in. Last thing to go in is your ginger and coriander. Just mix it well.